Okay, so we are here to do a review of the Vantrue Dashcam S1. It's got the front-facing camera and a rear-facing camera for the back window. So we've unboxed it already. Here's your power supply for the front-facing camera and the cable that goes from the back-facing camera to the front-facing camera, and then you've got some pads here to stick it to the window for you, the back there. Now, one thing we did notice, you notice it's got it's charging or it's attached to a battery pack because in the instructions it says it likes to charge this for 4 hours before you start. There's an internal battery that keeps the system going, and you have to charge that up before you begin. So we have charged it. It comes with the quick start guide as well as a manual on here, and we're going to use the quick start guide and get it installed, and we'll be right back. Now we've got the front-facing camera mounted here, and we got the power cord. The power cord goes down here to the circuit ladder adapter. We don't want a 6, 7 foot, 8 foot cord hanging here, so it's actually up along the ridge of the window here, and down and around underneath the dashboard, and it comes up to right here. Come up through here. We'll actually tuck it in underneath here, and the dash is out of the way, so all you have exposed is a wire over here, and we'll figure out a way to tack that inside of here someplace if we need to, like that. So we'll get the back installed. We'll be right back. Okay, so now you can see the two cables here, and what we end up doing is running along the headliner here. There's quite a bit of extra, so we actually got it tucked inside the visor because no one ever rides in a car in this vehicle besides the driver hardly. And it goes along the headliner, along the actual trim here, all the way to the back camera, as you can see there. Now these are the tools we end up having to use. They're called trim tools, and that helped with us getting inside the trim and pulling it back enough to get the cable down inside of there. So not necessarily a professional job, but for this situation here it works great. This is for my son's car, and he has friends that don't ever use the visors. They have sunglasses on. So that's the setup right there. Let's take a look here and see if we can't find the rear facing camera. And I can't see because of the lighting here. Let's see, let's go with, oh, right here. And there's the rear facing camera. So I'm gonna adjust it 1 second here. Have my son tell me when it looks good.
Good.
Right there.
That's good right there.
That way you see the back of the car itself. And it's viewable. So right now, that's a button right there to go to the rear camera. You push that, front and rear. So we'll do a test drive with it, and we'll come back and see how it performs.
So I've had this in my car, the Vantrue dash camera and rear dash camera, or if you want to call it dash camera. And my personal review on it, this is the car I use, and I love it. It's out of the way. I don't ever notice it hardly. It is a very compact and very durable piece of machinery, piece of tech, and I would highly recommend it. The installation process was like hassle-free, no issues so far, and for something that will help me in the future if I get in an accident or somebody gets in an accident with me, then I can defend my side of the story with video footage. This is a very good camera to do it with, so I highly recommend it. And yeah, so Vantrue, I really enjoy this product, and I highly suggest it.
And so one of the things about this night vision here is not bad at all. I wouldn't say it's the best in the market, but it's not bad at all. You can see in the upper left corner, sorry for the jiggly camera shot here, see the upper left corner of the rear view footage, and it's pretty crystal clear there as well. Does this come with the GPS on it, so you do have the mileage there. as well. And so we'll give it a thumbs up here and a recommended to buy on this particular model. See ya.
Out this year, he had a fantastic season. I know it was truncated, but he pitched fantastically for the A's.
The only earned run he allowed was on a homer.
And he credits this season to that slider grip.
1-2 to count to Tucker. Pitch on the way. That's down and away. There was the slider. It was Chaz Rose grip that he had used previously.
Saw it on Pitching Ninja online.
And didn't he ask the guy who runs that Pitching Ninja account if he had, because a lot of times Rob Freeman, the guy who runs the account, he'll post video or pictures of guys' grip on pitches, and I think Kingman even asked him on Twitter, like, said, hey, do you have the grip for Chaz Rose slider? Did, and Diekman was off and running. 2-2 to Tucker. And that's a bouncing ball softly hit right side, and that's going to get through the shift just past the diving Simeon into right center. That'll score Bregman, and getting to third base is Correa. Kyle Tucker drives in another run to make it 7-4 Astros. Just stuck that through.
Well, you just never know what's going to happen if you just put it in play. The Astros hitters have only struck out twice today. And Tucker with 2 strikes, he protects, gets the ball in the infield, and it sneaks through into center field, and it's another base hit with the runner in scoring position.
Tucker gets to second as the throw by Laureano went towards third base. So the Astros keep the pressure on, and Yuli Gurriel, who started this inning with a walk, stands in. He is 0 for 1 today. Pitch on the way, and Yuli bounces it foul back to the backstop for strike 1.
So I tell you, Gurriel was getting greedy. Big swing from Yuli, who we've seen some good swings already today and yesterday. He's getting close to being hot. These Astros are sniffing victory right now in the middle of this game.
They want to put it away. They are sharks circling right now. The 0-1. Yuli bounces it softly left side to his left center. He gathers it in, throws to first, and it is just in time. That was closer than it probably should have been. And the inning draws to a close. But the Astros make it a good one as they score 5 times to take the lead. And through 5 innings in Game 3 of the American League Division Series, Astros 7, A's 4. Everyone starts their games with high, but only one is non-count.